पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश भाई भाई हैं.
This is Sain Kadir from CSB News, United States of America, and we have none other than a Minister of Planning from Pakistan, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and none other than Ahsan Iqbal. Pleased to have you here. How do you feel about this country?
Thank you. I'm really honored to be in Bangladesh at a very historic moment when there is a democratic transition which has taken place. I am representing Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and people of Pakistan on this historic occasion. I just had the pleasure of meeting the new Prime Minister, Mr. Tariq Rahman. We had very good discussion. Both Pakistan and Bangladesh have so much in common, and I think we look forward to developing a strong development partnership, in people-to-people contacts. We share our art, we share our culture, we share our history and civilization, and I hope that the new transition will really usher a new path for collaboration between Pakistan and Bangladesh. We are both very young countries, and I think we need to build and forge partnerships between youth of both countries. Pakistan has recently initiated Bangladesh-Pakistan Knowledge Corridor, under which we are offering Allama Iqbal scholarships to Bangladeshi students to study in top Pakistani universities. Likewise, we look forward to establishing common links with other universities so that there can be more student exchange and faculty exchange programs. There are programs where our businessmen can come and promote trade between our countries. Our trade is less than $1 billion, which is quite actually embarrassing. We have so much scope, and we look forward to building very strong economic and trade partnership, and also on solving problems like climate change. Both Pakistan and Bangladesh face the threat of climate change, and we can learn from each other's experiences, and we can also have joint programs to meet the threat of climate change. So I think there are many vistas of cooperation in which we look forward to cooperate with government of Bangladesh, and also to promote our people-to-people links. I have also had the pleasure of meeting leader of opposition, and I find there is a bipartisan support to build a strong foundation for a very strong relationship between Pakistan and Bangladesh. I think we are two countries, but we have one heart.
More importantly, from the cultural and entertainment point of view, are there any plans with Pakistan, Bangladesh, contributing their efforts to make or produce a film? For instance, in Pakistan, we see a lot of dramas over there that has been exported to here.
Yeah.
And also, is there any plans?
Definitely. I mean, our people-to-people and broad framework of cooperation certainly involves cooperation in art, in music, and film production. And I think in future we will see a lot of joint production. Some of Pakistani artists have visited Dhaka and have drawn tremendous crowds. They are very popular here. And likewise, we would like to see Bangladesh artists visit Pakistan. Art and culture is a very strong bond. Similarly, sports is a very strong bond, and Pakistan and Bangladesh
many supporters here.
Yeah, have very good cricketing ties, and we look forward to more tournaments between the two countries, and the players who are ambassadors through sports between the two countries. I think, inshallah, we will try to regain the lost time and build very strong partnership for future, inshallah.
And more importantly, do you consider this country as your second home?
I mean, more than second home. And similarly, I think for every Bangladeshi, Pakistan is their second home. And I am overjoyed. You know the sentiment I saw today on the streets when we were driving, and our car was flying Pakistani flag, and there were the people, youth particularly, waving to us, showing their love, showing their solidarity. It was overwhelming. Pakistan और बांग्लादेश भाई भाई हैं.